What's up, guys? I am gonna take you along on the journey with me of getting ready for Miami swim. I am so excited. So the first thing I'm doing to prep is I am doing Kroma, the 5-day Kroma detox. I have all my little food satchels in here. This is a detox that I like to do a few times a year because I just feel awesome, but you actually get to eat. You just eat super clean. You can kind of customize it to whatever you're looking for. But today, what we're doing right now is my favorite time of day. It is your afternoon latte. And it looks like this one is a turmeric, let's see what's in here. The Vitality latte with turmeric in it. And I mix it with some full fat coconut milk and then a little bit of water, and I froth it up, and it is heaven. It's my favorite part of the day. All right, so I've got water in here, and then I'm gonna blend this up. And in here I have full fat coconut canned milk, so there's no gums or like crap in it. Then I mix this in here, and it is absolute heaven. Anytime I want to feel and look my best, Kroma is my go-to. And I'm gonna be on the runway in a bikini in about 8 days, so.
Crazy about like, I'm sure. Hi, Kristen.
Hi, how are you guys?
Hey, hello. Great. Oh, good.
How many models do we have?
All 10. That's a good answer. Okay, then I can kick us off with press.
What was your last name?
Okay. All right, here we are. I'm doing a laser on my neck. I'm also gonna do my stomach because it's good for skin tightening, right, Tab? So what does it do?
This helps tighten the skin and helps you build collagen and elastin.
Yeah, that's what we want.
It'll get you snatch.
Yeah, snatch. I'm not kidding. I've done this on, well, this is my 3rd time doing this. The first time I did it, I woke up the next day, my stomach, I was like, what the fuck? My stomach is so tight. Doing the tummy. Oh wait, were you gonna say anything else? I can't remember now.
I think we're saying this is non-invasive and no downtime.
Yeah, no downtime is huge. Hell yeah. Good morning. I just dropped the kids off at school. It's actually their last day of school, which is very exciting. So I didn't have to pack lunches today because it's a half day. I'm gonna go work out. That's typically my routine in the morning. Is I drop off the kids at school and then I come home and I work out. So I'm still on the Kroma cleanse. So this is their electrolytes. I also add creatine to my water when I work out. I've been taking creatine for probably, I don't know, a year. And it's like one of those things where it's like, I do feel like I have good muscle tone, but is it really from this? I don't know. I do a lot of these things and it's like at the end of the day, are they working? Maybe. I guess I would find out if I stopped. And I have a trainer on Thursdays. So today is Thursday. It's exactly 1 week until, it's exactly, okay. I am walking over to go work out. My gym is separate from my house. And every Thursday I have my trainer come. So my trainer Kevin is coming today. It's Thursday. It is exactly 1 week until Miami swim, until the show. So I'm really excited. I'm on day 4 of Kroma. I'm feeling amazing. And I just want to keep this until the show. Look at my weights, by the way. I have the Uncommon James logo. I typically work out 4 days a week. I lift weights 3 and I'll usually do the Stairmaster once. So this week, I think I might just up it 1 more session. I might just get 5 in. And I pack in stages. I'm like super organized. So I start to just like get ideas for outfits in my head. So like I'm gonna be in Miami. I go home for 2 days and then I get on a plane and go to Cabo with my kids. So I'm packing for Cabo before Miami. So in my head, I'm like just getting all of my outfits together. But for Miami specifically, I mean, I love Miami because you can wear like little super sexy things. and no one will even look twice at you. I have this really great Joa Brown dress. It's teeny tiny. It's just a simple tube top dress, but there's a cutout with this little string in here. So I think I might do this for dinner one night. I'm gonna take some of the girls on the team to dinner, and I'm gonna be working most of the time, but got some good options. And then I was thinking, we have a fitting with all the models, and I feel like I should maybe dress up a little bit since I'm the designer. So I was thinking maybe something fun like this. I just love color in Miami, or I could do blue. By the way, fans of Very Cavallari will remember this because I wore this on an episode of Very Cavallari. Okay, and then also, if you guys want to see the bikini. Here it is. Look, I'm look 22. Okay. I'm obsessed with this print. Suzanne, the founder at Risa, she let me pick out which bikini I wanted to wear. So we're going snake print. Okay, I can't get that over my sweats, but snake print. And her bottoms are the best because they look itty bitty bitty. They look so teeny tiny, but you can actually kind of like pull them a little bit so there's a little bit more coverage. I mean, they're definitely small, don't get me wrong, which is why I love them. And it's nice too because it only ties on one side. So I like that. You can make it high up or low or whatever as you want. And then I am doing a little sarong just because I don't need my ass on the internet, like on a runway at almost 40 years old. We've been there, we've done that. We don't need to do that again. I'm excited. And then, okay, the best part, guys, the best part is the jewelry. I'm not gonna be wearing exactly this, but look how fun. We have all of this green jewelry, which by the time you see this video, this will be out. This is our Italian summer theme. This green jewelry, like imagine this on the runway and with bikinis. It's gonna be so hot. Like, yes, oh my God, yes. So many good pieces. I am so excited about this collection. I love it. I need fitting, dinner, then we're doing an event, a yoga event with Fiore. Very excited for that. Then I just need like casual clothes, then my show outfit, well, bikini. I need to wear something to the show. That's why I was kind of feeling like I could do this to the show and then after. I got this skirt's really cool too. It has like a belt right here and then like a huge slit. I could do this. This could be kind of fun with like something really little on top. I need, the next day we have a photo shoot. We're doing a beauty photo shoot at the beach. It'll be casual, and then I fly out super early, so I will not be going out after that. So I have to be in the mood to pack. It's like I can like get everything ready, but then I have to like try on outfits and do the whole thing. I'm just not in the mood tonight. I'll do it tomorrow. But like, look how good this jewelry is. This is body chain. I haven't even opened that yet. But like, oh my God, all of these bangles, are you kidding me? I'm so, oh no. I'm so excited about this collection. Another day, another workout prep. Okay, I am coming in my gym to practice walking because there's mirrors everywhere and I have on my bikini. And I have to see what it looks like. So I'm gonna practice. Okay, here we go. This is not me practicing. Hold on. One thing I definitely have been doing all week is the sauna with infrared light and red light, so both. And then what I do when I'm in there is I do dry brushing, which is really good for lymphatic drainage. I'm all about sweating and just getting out all of the toxins. I want to be as healthy as possible because I feel like you look the best when you're that healthy. Also, I've been doing this Kroma Detox and I'm breaking out. I have a zit on my face, I have a zit on my back, so it's working. And hopefully the sauna will just even speed things up even more. It's at 130. I can usually get it up to like 150. And I only go for like 20 minutes. And this is not flattering light. Something that you're supposed to do in a sauna, I don't know if you guys know this or not, I don't want this to fall, is you have to put a hat on. It's supposed to be good for your hair health. Hair breaks, I guess, a lot in the sun if you don't use one. So, okay, I'm not bringing you guys for this session. Good morning. Off to my Annie. Bright and early. This is not the most flattering angle. We are off. Oh my gosh, it's, what time is it, 5:30? I was so tired last night, and then I laid in bed, and some of the girls on the team were already there, and they sent me a video of the runway, and then I started thinking about it and freaking out, and then I couldn't sleep. I got like no sleep last night, but I'm so excited. Why am I out of breath so much? I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So here we go. We're off.